clogged the drain. Pull some hair up and stuff. Little debris had to be cleaned out of the pipes. This is overflow plate is all bent up and useless, so I'm going to convert that into a push drain. I'm just going to push him right in there, and that's going to help with hair and stuff too. Okay, so okay. All right. Just make sure that's in there real good. Okay. All right, and then I'm gonna put a new overflow in. Alright, now to demonstrate, you push it and fill it. You can release it and then it's empty. Yeah, nice. Yep, drains real good. Okay, and that will help catch hair too, so there we go. This isn't no longer used because of that. Alright. Yeah, the sink's fine too. Drains good.